However, with the success of the 5G network that we have talked about so far, with capacity to support high-tech devices, among others, yet there are still some challenges that are associated with 5G network. These challenges include the inability of 5G network to travel far, and it struggles to pass through obstacles like walls, like trees and buildings. And this made it very, very difficult to use in rural area unless where the 5G technology gadgets are precisely built in the rural area. Otherwise, penetrating through all these objects is quite difficult. However, it is expected that with 6G technology in year 2030, there will be a stronger and smarter coverage that will be able to penetrate through the obstacles of walls, trees, among others. 5G also has the challenge of delays, not fast enough for remote surgery or for self-driving cars or for robots to communicate between or among themselves. With the introduction of 6G in year 2030, it is expected that 6G will bring about almost zero delay in making use of high technology. Another challenge of 5G is that it doesn't connect well in remote areas as a result of the inability to penetrate through some certain obstacles. So to address this challenge, 6G is expected to integrate the use of satellite as part of the hardware that will be used. Finally, among the challenges of 5G is the high consumption of electricity by the hardware used by 5G network. And so this makes 5G to be very, very expensive to maintain and to sustain. In the case of 6G network, it is expected that there will be use of low power, very low power consumption will be used by 6G hardware technology, and it will make use of the efficient antennas and self-powered sensors, which will be aided by artificial intelligence, and it is expected that there will be a lot of improvement, yet the power consumption will be lower. So welcome to 6G network. 6G network is expected to be launched in year 2030, precisely in the next 5 years, and it is expected to span through till 2040 for 10 years. The speed capacity of 6G is expected to start from at least 100 gigabytes per second. So 6G is expected to be 100 times faster than 5G because there will be a higher bandwidth and there will be low latency challenge with 6G. So the introduction of 6G in the year 2030 is expected to be 100 times faster than 5G. It is also expected to make use of the artificial intelligence and the multi-access edge computing technologies for high speed and low latency. The multi-access edge computing technology will allow the execution of commands to be carried out very close to the client as compared to communicating with the server before executing the command. So that will reduce the time of execution, hence making the process to be faster. Similarly, the use of artificial intelligence with 6G will bring about self-learning for 6G itself, self-healing, and self-optimization of operations without challenge. So this is also expected that it will reduce the process of operation, hence increasing the speed of operation. Finally, 6G is expected to be the brain of our future society, where more advanced technologies will be used and will come on board. And that is why we are expecting the 6G to bring about a cyber physical realities to our world. A lot of improvement will actually set in.